Paparazzi moment. Thank you very much, sir. Omoda and Jeko a little bit. Omoda focuses on modern sporty SUVs, while Jeko emphasizes rugged and luxurious SUVs with diverse customer needs. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, safety systems, and customizable options, it aims to redefine premium SUV standards in the Nepali market with innovative designs and competitive pricing. Request for a welcome note to come here on stage, Group President of Sharda Group, Mr. Dhiren Tamang, everyone. Can we please welcome him with a huge round of applause?
To express our heartfelt gratitude for your presence here today. Thank you for taking out the time to join us as we embark on this exciting journey in partnership with Nepal Premier League for the upcoming tournament. Omoda Jeko are passionate about contributing to community development through CSR initiatives, focusing on environmental protection, sustainability and youth empowerment. Nepal Premier League reflects our commitment to supporting cricket. I would like to extend a special thanks to Mr. Paras Kharka and the esteemed executive members of CAN for their enthusiasm and unwavering support in making this collaboration possible.
It is again an absolute pleasure and honor for all of us at SPG Automobiles to welcome you all on this special event as we are excited to sign the MOU with Nepal Premier League, which kicks off on November 30th, 2024. On behalf of SPG Automobiles and our principal company, Omoda and Jeko, I would like to extend a warm welcome to everyone here today. Thank you so much for taking your time to join us. As Meera just mentioned, Omoda and Jeko is a brand under the Chery Group, a company which is consistently recognized as China's leading automobile exporter. In November 13th of this year, Chery Group proudly announced that it had exported 1 million vehicles, marking a significant milestone and a first time the company has achieved this feat. This record sets a new benchmark for the speed at which a Chinese manufacturer has reached such a milestone. Till date, Chery's cumulative exports has surpassed 4.3 million cars, making it the first Chinese brand to cross the 4 million mark. As consumer trends evolve rapidly, automobiles have transformed beyond just being a mode of transportation. They are now an extension of personal style and lifestyle. Omoda and Jeko has embraced this shift by integrating cutting-edge technology to develop products that meet the evolving needs of today's drivers. Omoda, on the one hand, represents a fashion-forward cross-border product line designed for the new generation, one that values health, sustainability, and modern living. With a focus on the future, fashion, sustainability, and technology, Omoda encourages the younger generation to embrace a personalized and progressive lifestyle. Jeko, on the other hand, is focused in breaking barriers in the global off-road vehicle market. It offers a bold off-road series designed for the modern urban elite. Season of the Nepal Premier League, an initiative of Cricket Association of Nepal, it is an event of great significance. The tournament will be a part of this journey and look forward to seeing how the NPL will inspire and captivate audiences across the country. Once again, thank you for joining us today. We are excited about this journey ahead of us, both the NPL as well as Omoda and Jeko. Thank you.
But he's been somebody who's been ruling the cricket of Nepal and our hearts for a very, very long time now. He's been making us proud. Everybody, let's put our hands together for the Secretary of Cricket Association of Nepal, Mr. Paras Kharka, everybody.
Namaste. First of all, apologies, सबैजनालाई अलिकति बढी कुद्नु पर्यो होला, but having said that, there was a very important meeting at the ministry. त्यो कारणले गर्दा we could not be here on time. On behalf of Cricket Association of Nepal, first of all, we'd like to thank Sharda Group and of course the brands Omoda and Jeko, the two brands that are going to be associated with us, and most importantly, the business group of Nepal, which has been making a mark over the last so many years. I would say Sharda Group has made a significant impact in terms of how they have helped the economy grow in Nepal, and once again we are very, very glad that an institution of this magnitude has come together to become part of the Siddharth Bank Nepal Premier League. आज हामी सबैजना यहाँ छौँ. I'm sure सबैजनाले सोध्न खोजिराख्नु भएको होला कि यो पार्टनरसिप के छ, कस्तो छ, कस्तो खालको इन्गेजमेन्ट हुन गइरहेको छ. For us, on behalf of Cricket Association of Nepal, and even for me as a former cricket captain and a former cricket player, having seen Nepal cricket grow, Nepali cricket को लास्ट 20-25 वर्षको जुन यो हाम्रो उतार चढाव छ, त्यो उतार चढावमा अहिले हाम्रो यो प्रतियोगिताले जुन एउटा सम्पूर्ण देशभरि नै र देश बाहिर पनि सबैको ध्यान आकर्षण गर्न जसरी सफल भएको छ, त्यही सन्दर्भमा आज हामीसँग शारदा ग्रुप पनि एसोसिएट हुनु भएको छ. र सबैभन्दा महत्त्वपूर्ण कुरा र probably one of the biggest things is that with the conclusion of the Siddharth Bank Nepal Premier League, नेपाली क्रिकेटमै पहिलोचोटि इतिहासमै हामीले बेस्ट नेपाली प्लेयरले अब गाडी चढ्नु हुनेछ. सो आई थिङ्क द्याट इज ग्रेट रिमार्क वेयर हाम्रो सम्पूर्ण क्रिकेट फ्रेटर्निटी शारदा ग्रुपप्रति हामी कृतज्ञता व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छौँ. नेपाली क्रिकेटको 2018मा जब हामीले ओडिआई स्ट्याटस पायौँ, त्यसपछि मलाई लाग्छ हामी अलिकति प्रोफेसनल सेटअपमा अगाडि बढ्न खोजिराख्दाखेरि यो विगतको 6-7 वर्षमा नेपाली क्रिकेटलाई जसरी देशभित्र र देश बाहिरबाट सबैजनाले माया गर्दै आउनु भएको छ, त्यही सन्दर्भमा आज सिद्धार्थ ब्याङ्क नेपाल प्रिमियर लिग प्रतियोगिता सके लगतै यो प्रतियोगितामा उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन गर्नुहुने हाम्रो बेस्ट नेपाली खेलाडीले शारदा ग्रुपको तर्फबाट एउटा गाडी पाउनु हुनेछ. यो सम्पूर्ण खेलाडीहरूको लागि पनि एउटा एक्साइटिङ न्युज हो, एउटा मोटिभेसन पनि हो कि क्रिकेट खेलमा लागेर खेलकुद क्षेत्रमा लागेर अब आफ्नो भविष्य सुरक्षित गर्न सकिन्छ भन्ने बाटोहरू हामी नेपाल क्रिकेट सङ्घको तर्फबाट हामी कोर्न गइरहेका छौँ. र यसमा हामीलाई सहयोग गर्नुहुने हाम्रा सम्पूर्ण स्टेक होल्डर्स, all of our sponsors and everybody involved with the Siddharth Bank Nepal Premier League, we are very happy, we are very grateful. I hope this is a continuous support for everybody. Why? Because the most important thing here is that it's not just about how we start, it's about the continuous journey where we will need everyone's support for Nepal cricket to go on to the another dimension. हिजो भर्खरै मात्र पनि टिकट सेल्स हामीले ओपन गर्दाखेरि we are almost on the verge of closing the tickets. जुन खालको ओपनिङ डेको टिकट्सको जुन डिमान्ड छ र त्यो सँगसँगै यदि ग्राउन्डमा आउनु पाउनु भएन भने पनि जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ देशभित्र देश बाहिर घर